Small shops and boutiques often struggle to stand out online. But with ShortBeast AI, you can help them grab attention fast. You can turn simple ideas, like showing a new clothing arrival, a seasonal sale, or a quick styling tip, into high-quality short videos. The AI creates the script, voice, and visuals so the content looks professional without filming or editing. Posting the short videos on TikTok, Instagram Reels, or Facebook keeps the shop in front of customers and builds excitement around their products. It's an affordable and effective way to promote local shopping and drive more sales. If you want to start making promo videos for shop and boutiques, use my link in the description and get started with ShortBeast AI today.